Let's assemble street vehicles once upon a sunny morning in the bustling town of Gear. 3 best friends, Lila, Milo, and Zoom, the robot, gathered in their favorite spot, Grandpa Gear's workshop. The workshop was a magical place filled with shiny tools, colorful parts, and the hum of creativity. Today, Grandpa Gears had a special challenge for them. "Kids," Grandpa Gear said, his mustache twitching with excitement, "the town festival is tomorrow, and we need new street vehicles to make it the best parade ever." Lila found a bright red chassis in the corner. "This is perfect," she said. Milo bolted on 4 sturdy wheels, spinning them to make sure they rolled smoothly. Zoom scanned the parts pile and zipped over with a shiny ladder and a siren that went W-O. "Can you assemble a fire truck, a bus, and a delivery van before sunset?" Lila, who loved solving puzzles, clapped her hands. "Let's do it." Milo, who could fix anything, grabbed his wrench. Zoom, with his glowing buttons and speedy calculations, beeped, "Optimal assembly sequence activated." When they tested it, the van zoomed around the workshop, dropping off imaginary packages to every corner. "The fire truck adventure, you've built the best vehicles Gearville has ever seen." The next day, the festival parade was a hit. The fire truck siren wowed the crowd, the bus carried singing kids, and the delivery van handed out candy to everyone. Lila carefully untangled it. Milo connected it to the water tank, and Zoom programmed the siren to flash red lights. Together, they polished the fire truck until it gleamed, ready to save the day. Milo cheered, and as the sun set over Gearville, they knew they could assemble anything as long as they worked together. "This can carry all of Gear," she said. Milo tinkered with it, tightening screws, while Lila painted musical notes on the side. Zoom added a button that made the horn sing honk honk in a happy tune. The bus was ready to roll with a smile. Lila chose a zippy green frame for super fast deliveries, she said. Milo added a big cargo door that slid open smoothly. Zoom loaded it with pretend packages, calculating the best way to stack them so nothing would fall. Milo attached wide windows so everyone could see the festival. Zoomward, calculating the perfect number of seats, 24 for maximum fun. First, they tackled the fire truck, but there was a problem. The hose was tangled like a bowl of spaghetti. The big blue bus. Next up was the bus. Lila picked a long blue frame. The bus needed a special horn, but the one they found only squeaked like a mouse. The speedy delivery van finally. They built the delivery van, but the van's wheels wobbled. Milo tightened the bolts. Lila painted racing stripes to make it look fast, and Zoom programmed a GPS to find the quickest routes. The parade! By sunset, the fire truck, bus, and delivery van stood proudly outside the workshop. Grandpa Gears clapped, Lila, Milo, and Zoom high-fived. "We built a parade to remember," Lila said. "The end."